Today we are going to be making vegan lentil pancakes or vegan lentil flapjacks. And for that we'll need the following ingredients. We'll need a cup of lentils. This time I'm using these brown lentils that are smaller. I previously used the green lentils and they were working great, but I want to try today and use those ones. So this is something that I normally use. They are larger and kind of greenish, and those ones are smaller and brownish. So 1 cup of brown lentils, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm gonna be using an interesting spice. You can find it in Indian stores. It's called asafoetida. Here, asafoetida powder, or this is the other variety of the same. It says extra strong yellow powder, asafoetida. I'm not sure where the proper, like the English name is here, but anyways it is. This one is yellow in color, this one is white in color, but they are the same pretty much, so whichever you can find, or you could probably omit them if you don't have it, you don't want to look for it. And masala, any masala that you have or you can find, a 1/4 teaspoon. You will also need to use a high-speed blender, so just make sure that you have something that could break up the lentils. So first things first, we will need to pre-soak our lentils, and we'll need to pre-soak them for about 4 to 6 hours. So just consider that when making these pancakes. If you know me, I like doing double batches, so here you go. Cover it well with water because your lentils are going to be soaking in the liquid. So make sure that you add quite a bit of water on top. So 6 to 8 hours later, you have your lentils soaked through and they probably doubled inside. This is cool. And now let's start cooking them. Rinse and thoroughly wash your lentils. Add your lentils to your blender. Add in cold water. Make sure that you add as much water so that it covers completely your lentils and you have about 1 centimeter above the level of your lentils. Add your spices in. For a single batch it's 1 teaspoon of salt, for double it's 2. Half a teaspoon turmeric for a single portion, a teaspoon for a double. Half a teaspoon asafoetida for a single batch and a teaspoon for a double. Here I'm using the white variety of the asafoetida. 1/4 for a single or half teaspoon for a double batch of the lentils of the masala. Now start the action. Here you go. So this is how your batter looks. You see it's running. You're gonna be scooping and placing your pancake on the frying pan and frying it. We'll start that doing now. Okay, I'll start with, using my regular approach of as many pans as I can, because I wanna make my pancakes as soon as possible. Don't wanna wait for forever. You can do the same or not, up to you. Start placing your or pouring your pancakes. You can pour them from the spout if it works for you. they won't require too long of a time to cook through. Adjust the heat accordingly. I'll need to decrease mine to medium strength here. Place those that are made cook through in some kind of container so they stay warm before the rest is done. Keep on going, juggling with your frying the pancakes. If you don't want your fire alarm to go off, remember to turn on your hood. So this is how many pancakes you're getting from the 2 cups. Smelling good. Tasting delicious. Soft. Really nice taste. I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified about all new videos or live stream.